In this video, I am about 30 miles east of Columbus, just off Interstate 70, with a farm that has had a bunch of corn stalks wash up during a heavy rain, and they are pushing all those corn stalks in a pile, loading them in this manure spreader, and spreading them back out on the field. This can be a problem when we get a really big rain all at one time and the water starts running across the field. And as you can see, this field's pretty flat here, but that heavy rain will push those loose leaves or corn stalks, any debris, and then it'll all go to one area. And as that water's draining out of the field, then the stuff will just pile up and create quite a mess. A lot of times it's so thick the field doesn't want to dry out there, so they want to get these cleaned up, spread back on the field, put those nutrients back out there so there's no bare spots. And in the video here, they are doing that, running their John Deere 8400T, pulling this Tubeline spreader. This is a model 575, as you can see here. They are renting this from Folt's Egg down in Lancaster, Ohio. And then to load the corn stalks, they are running their Bobcat T770 skid steer loader with a grapple bucket. And that is going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.